Hello everyone, my name is Riya, and in this video I'm going to explain how to write the code for the selection sort. In the previous videos we had seen the other sorting methods, merge sort, quick sort, insertion sort. In this video we'll be mainly focusing on the selection sort. First of all, let us understand what is the logic for selection sort. So first of all, let us see this small figure, and in this there are 5 elements: 20, 12, 10, 15 and 2. 20 is taken and it is compared with the rest of its elements. That is, first of all 20 is compared with 12 since it is smaller, so these two elements are swapped and 12 comes to the first position and 20 goes to the second position. Now 12 is compared with the third element, and if 10 is smaller, since 10 is smaller, it is swapped and it is brought to the first position. Now 10 is compared with the fourth element, and since 15 is larger, there is no swapping happening over here. And then 10 is compared with the last element, and 2 is brought to the first position because it is smaller. In this way, the element which has the smallest value is brought to the first position. In the same way, in the second step, we'll be taking the second element which is compared with the rest 3 elements, and then we'll take here 20 is first compared with 12. Again, since 12 is smaller, it is brought to the second position. Now 12 is compared with the third element, that is 15. Since 15 is larger, so there's no swapping again. Then 12 is compared with 10. Since 10 is smaller, it is brought to the second position. In this way, what we're doing is we're accumulating all the minimum values in the front and all the values which are greater at the last. And similarly, we'll be doing it in the third and fourth step. In the third step, we'll be taking the third element which is compared with the rest of the elements, and in the fourth step, we'll be taking the fourth element which is compared with the last element, that is the fifth element. Now let us see how to write the code for this program. First of all, we'll be writing the header file and the standard library function, and this is the function. But before that, let us see what have we written in the main function. In the main function, we have these variables, that is nk location. This loc represents location. Then we have a temporary variable. Then we have an array of size 10, array of maximum size 10. So the user can enter maximum of 10 elements. So here the user can enter the size of the array and then enter the array elements. This will allow the user to enter the elements for sorting. And then we have a loop which is running from k is equal to 0 to k less than equal to n minus 2. And then inside this for loop we have a variable, that is location is equal to minimum of a, k and n, k. So this is the function call. So this part will take you to this function in which the minimum value is calculated. That is, in min we are storing the first value, and then in location the k value. And we have a loop which is running from j is equal to k plus 1 to j less than equal to n minus 1. And then the condition is checked. If min is greater than a of j, then minimum is equal to a of j, and then location j value is stored, and then the location is returned. So this returned value is stored in this location, and where the elements are swapped using this function. And after swapping, these elements are displayed using this for loop. Now let us see how this program runs. Enter the size of the array. So I've entered 5 elements, and the sorted order is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8. Thank you.